Hello, my name is Emma. I am a senior on the Lansdale Catholic Cyber Crusaders Team 272. We have developed a 4-part series on how to build bumpers for your FRC robot. Bumpers are typically not the coolest part of build season, but are a vital and required robot accessory. We on the imagery team think they are the coolest. Bumpers protect your robot from damaging others or being damaged by other robots or field elements. All robots must have bumpers attached to the robot frames. In our 4-part series, we are going to show you how we, Team 272, create our bumpers. In this video, we will discuss the bumpers and show you a list of materials that you will need to make your bumpers. In the second video, we will show you how to build the hard frame of the bumper. Video 3 will show you how to sew and attach the reversible bumper cover. Video 4, we will show you how to paint the numbers onto your bumper. Bumpers must be able to display red or blue alliance colors. In this series, we will be showing you how to create reversible bumpers. Pros of a reversible bumper are that you only need to make one set. Some teams make 2 different sets of bumpers, one red and one blue. Those teams have to switch out their bumpers every time they change alliance colors. Having 2 sets of bumpers can also take up room in the pit. Having one set of bumpers is easier for storage and more efficient use of space. To start with the bumper process, here's a quick overview of some of the bumper rules. Please refer to the manual for more detail. There must be at least 6 inches of the bumper on each side of each corner. They must extend within a 1/4 inch of the frame perimeter. The entire corner must be covered with no extension beyond the corner perpendicular to the next side. Try not to make a ledge, for this is not allowed. Joint corners must be filled with pool noodles and all gaps must be filled. If a frame is shorter than 12 inches, then that entire side must be protected by a bumper. As a round circular frame has no corners, the entire frame must be protected by a bumper. Bumpers do not count in the total weight of your robot, but they may not weigh more than 15 pounds. Things used to attach the bumper to the robot do not add to the bumper weight. They will be added to the weight of the robot. Bumpers must be backed by 3/4 inch thick by 5 inch tall plywood, oriented strand board, or solid wood. Stacked pool noodles are used as bumper cushion materials. They need to be 2.5 inches in diameter. They can be round, petal, or hexed. The pool noodles may not be modified or deformed except to cut the length or bevel ends. They must be the same diameter, cross-section, and density. The pool noodles may be attached to the wood backing to help with applying the fabric covering. Soft fasteners may be used to attach the pool noodles to the wood backing. We use loosely applied 1-inch painter's tape. Again, we are not allowed to alter or deform the pool noodle. The fabric that is used to cover the pool noodles and the wood backing must be a durable, smooth cloth. We use duck cloth. The fabric must be solid primary red and primary blue. Pattern fabric is not allowed. Tape matching the bumper color to patch small holes are allowed. The fabric must completely cover all the wood, excluding the side that is touching the robot and the pool noodles. The bumper system must attach to the robot perimeter with a fastening system. The attachment system must be able to withstand vigorous gameplay. All removable fasteners such as nuts and bolts will be added to the weight of the bumper. Bumpers may not be fastened with a joint that is longer than 10 inches. Bumpers must be located entirely within the bumper zone, which is the volume contained between the floor and a vertical horizontal plane 7.5 inches above the floor in reference to the robot standing normally on a flat floor. Bumpers do not have to be parallel to the floor. Team numbers must be displayed on the bumper so that a person can see what team the robot is from any angle. The numbers must be Arabic numerals and at least 6 inches high with a 1/2 inch brush width. The numbers may be solid white in color or outlined in a 1/16 inch white outline. They can be separated on one side of the robot perimeter but not wrapped around a corner. Here's a list of supplies that we anticipate needing to make our bumpers. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these videos help you create your team's bumpers.